Welcome you all to my channel. I am A. Dhanasekar from Mettur. This is my first video on redox reaction. Dear students, today we will discuss the topic oxidation number. Number of electron losses are gained by an element during the compound formation is known as oxidation number. Generally, compounds are largely classified into two categories. That's one, ionic compound, and covalent compounds. In ionic compound, oxidation number is represents the real charge of the ion. And in covalent compounds, it represents the imaginary charge. Now we will calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in sodium dithionate. In step 1, we write the correct formula of Na2S2O6. Step 2, we assign the correct structure. Here, Na2S2O6 arranged in the following manner: Na single bond O, single bond S, single bond S, single bond O, single bond Na, and both sulfur having two double bonded oxygen. Now the oxidation number of sodium is +1 and here also +1, remaining all oxygen having -2 as an oxidation state. -2, -2. Now the sum of the all elements here X, X. The sum of oxidation states +1, -2 of first oxygen, sulfur having X, another sulfur having another X, and -2, -2 for first sulfur, and -2, -2 for the second sulfur, which attached to oxygens, and last single bonded oxygen has -2, and last sodium has +1. The net value is equal to 0. On simplifying this equation, we have 2x and +2, so 2x plus 2 and -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12. So we get minus 12 is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to plus 10. So we get x is equal to plus 5. So oxidation number of the sulfur is plus 5. Now try to understand sodium trithionate. In step 1, we have the correct molecular formula, that is Na2S3O6 is sodium trithionate. Step 2 is the structure assigning. The correct structure of sodium trithionate is Na single bond O, single bond S, single bond S, single bond S, single bond O, single bond Na. And the first sulfur and last sulfur having two double bonded oxygen in sodium trithionate. In step 3, to assign the charge of all elements. Here sodium has plus 1 and this sodium also having plus 1 and all oxygen having minus 2 is the oxidation number. So minus 2 and final minus 2. And the sulfur which attached with same kind of atom, this 2 sulfur. So the sulfur having oxidation state 0 and this having X. So step 3, that means step 4, the sum of oxidation number of all elements is equal to 0. So we have 2 sodium, so plus 2 and 6 oxygen having minus 2 into 6 plus 2 sulfur, that is X plus X, and middle sulfur having 0 as the oxidation state. So the net value is equal to 0 because sodium trithionate is a neutral compound. On simplifying this, plus 2 minus 12, that is 6 into 2 minus 12 plus 2x is equal to 0. This implies 2x is equal to plus 10, then x is equal to plus 5. So sulfur in trithionate having two oxidation number. First one is X is equal to plus 5, which are surrounded by oxygen, and remaining sulfur surrounded by 2 sulfur which have 0 as the oxidation state. So we have the sulfur surrounded by 3 oxygen and 1 sulfur has plus 5 as the oxidation state. So both are plus 5, and middle sulfur having the oxidation state 0 because the surrounded atoms are same as sulfur. Now we move to sodium tetrathionate. The formula of sodium tetrathionate is Na2S4 O6. The structure of this compound is Na single bond O, single bond S, single bond S, single bond S, single bond S. All sulfur are connected linearly in this compound. And last O, single bond Na. The first sulfur and last sulfur having double bonded oxygen, and middle sulfurs are present in without oxygen. Now the oxidation state of the elements. Sodium has +1 and this oxygen's having -2 is the oxidation state. All oxygen having -2 and here sodium is +1. Then subjected atom. The sulfur linked surrounded by 3 oxygen having X. Similarly, the sulfur has X and mid sulfur both are present in 0 as the oxidation state. Now move to step 3. The sum of oxidation number of all elements equal to 0 because sodium tetrathionate is a neutral compound. So +2 is the oxidation state of 2 sodium and oxygen having -2. There are 6 oxygen, so -2 into 6 plus 2x plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. On simplifying this, +2 minus 12, which is getting from 6 into 2, and plus 2x is equal to 0. This implies -10 plus 2x equal to 0. 2x is equal to +10. We have the x is equal to +5. Here sulfur having 2 oxidation states, which is 2 blue sulfur having x is equal to +5 and 2 green sulfur x is equal to 0. That is, this sulfur surrounded by the oxygen is similarly this is also as +5 and mid these 2 sulfur having 0 oxidation state. All sulfur having the oxidation state X, then what will be the answer? Here +2 minus 2 into 6 plus 4x, because this all 4s having the oxidation state X is equal to 0. This implies +2 minus 12 plus 4x is equal to 0. On simplifying this, -10 plus 4x equal to 0. 4x equal to +10 x equal to plus 10 by 4. This is equal to plus 5 by 2. The last answer, x is equal to 5 by 2, is known as the average oxidation state of a all sulfur.